Okay, tonight I've just got 2 chicken breasts cut up in chunks, and I'm going to try and cook this crispy fried chicken. Come from Louisiana. Fish fry products bring the taste of Louisiana home. Yeah, that's probably the worst Louisiana accent you've ever seen. So you mix up a bit as a batter, apparently, and then you dunk it in the remaining powder, and you chuck her in the fry pan, which I've only just put on. Let's see how it goes. Oh, that's right, we're having some crunchy roast potatoes with it, and some carrots. Let's see how it looks when it's finished. Okay, I have done what they said. I've mixed 6 tablespoons of the mixture into cold water, made a batter, and then the rest I've used to coat it. So now we're going to stick it in the fry pan. See what happens. Are we going to have a Kentucky Fried type moment? I don't know. At this stage it looks okay. Got the same kind of. I'll put some batches I don't want to overfill the pot. Just open one in the middle. And we'll see what it turns out like. Okay, in a couple of minutes I'll turn them over. Looking alright. Never used this before, but I can see the theory. Crunchy chicken. And my wife made the carrots. Or she made them down the pot. Anyway, a little bit of honey while they're still hot. Just stick a bit of honey in there. You have to get them soak up the honey. So we don't leave them for about another 5 minutes. So they're good to go. Hello little chickens. We're going to eat your batch is empty. We've already tested a couple just to make sure they're quality control. And they're crispy and they're yummy. Right, let's put the rest of this up now. Cut one chunk in half. See, nice and juicy still. So this is quite a thick chunk, but I'm cooking them for about 5 or 6 minutes all up. So, okay, it's new to me, but it's good. And there we go. Fried chicken, roast potatoes, and carrots with a bit of pepper on mine. And you've got nothing.
I'll get it in a minute.
That's terrible. Oh, mind you, I'll be okay. Crispy, crunchy chicken. Oh, there you go.
That's
You're
good.
going to survive.
Yes.
Looking forward to it. Anyway, you had been. Thanks for watching. Okay, you can pick this up with your fingers, but it's crunchy. It's yummy. And it's hot. Delicious.